Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yes, I am going to be teaching you how to record your screen and your voice onto YouTube. So this idea came from my friend Aria, and he said that how to do a voice and screen record. Please vid on that. So he said that, and I'm gonna do that. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna teach you guys. So this is how I screen record. So yes, as you can see, I've uploaded 4 videos. What I use is called Xbox Game Bar. So you see this? Click on it. You guys see this Xbox Game Bar? You guys have to click on Xbox Game Bar, and you will see these 3 buttons. You will see like an audio button, a capture button, a performance button, and an Xbox social button. It should say the time on the right hand side and an Xbox logo. So this is how it works. You have to press capture, and then you have to press the button next to the microphone, which is the recording button. That's when you can start recording your screen. What I do is I quickly press the record button, or you just press Windows Alt R on your keyboard, and then you can start recording whatever you like your screen. You don't have to do your voice, but you can do your screen if you want. So that's how I do it. But there are several different ways, but yeah. Also, how to edit your videos. That has come up a lot in my videos. So, I have downloaded an app called OBS 26.1.1, the 64-bit Windows version. So, you can edit your videos on this, and it'll really help you out, but I don't know how to edit, so that's how my parents help me. So that's how you edit your videos, by using OBS, like the random scenes and YouTube areas. You just have to drag something like this video, for example, and then put it on here. Obviously, I'm not going to do that right now. Yeah, that's pretty much it for me. I know you guys did not see the Xbox thing, like you didn't see that. Like I pressed this, but I know you guys didn't see this come up. So yeah, shout out to Adia for telling me this video idea. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this helped in your YouTube career, and I'll see you guys next time.